Hey guys, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta, and today I've got a very special 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. This car's got the numbers matching 383 Magnum in it. It's also got the 3-speed TorqueFlite transmission. This car is done in the beautiful Plum Crazy metallic, and this is a rotisserie restoration, guys. This is an absolutely beautiful car. But let's jump into this review here. We'll start up front here. You've got that beautiful chrome bumper. You've got that awesome front end on this car. The Challengers just look fantastic, and they're famous for their look. You've got the ram air hood here. You also have the hood pins here to keep the hood down. One thing, this car is badged as a 440 Magnum, but it does have the numbers matching 383 in it. But overall, the paint and body on this car is fantastic. It's in excellent condition, really good shape, show quality paint, I would say. All your body lines are even on this car. The chrome is awesome on this car too. Let's look at the fender here. The fender's in excellent shape. I don't see any paint defects, anything going on. It's near perfect condition. You've got the fender trim here that looks great. You've got the 15-inch rally wheels as well with the Goodyear Eagle tires. Let's check out the door here. The door is in excellent condition. The paint on the roof is in excellent condition. All your chrome trim here around the window is in excellent condition. Guys, this is a fantastic car. I can't get that across. I don't know if it's coming across on the video, but this car is absolutely beautiful. Check out your door gaps here, nice and even all the way down. Your mirrors painted the same color as the body. It looks great. Your door handle's in excellent condition. Doors aren't sagging. They shut fantastic. As we look at the rear quarter here, paint is flawless, absolutely beautiful. The metallic in this paint is awesome, and it looks really good. It shines really nice under our LED lights. Out back here, you do have the rally wheel with the Goodyear Eagle tires. As we work our way around the back side of the car here, you got that beautiful chrome bumper that looks really nice. Tail lights are in excellent condition, no issues with that. You've got the dual tips out back as well that look really nice. All the glass in the car, guys, is like new. This is just an absolutely beautiful car, guys. It's had a lot of money spent on it, and it looks really, really nice. But with that being said, let's work our way back up front so I can show you that numbers matching 383 Magnum. All right, guys, check out this beautiful engine bay. Really nicely done. You've got an upgraded aluminum radiator with an electric fan, upgraded AC. You've got an upgraded billet front runner kit there with a serpentine belt. You've got some upgraded aluminum valve covers. You've got that chrome air breather there that looks fantastic. They also added some nice black billet style hood hinges that look really nice. You got power brakes on this car as well. Overall, very clean under here. I want to go over the fender tag here because I know you Mopar guys love it. So we're going to go over some of the codes here. This is a E63 code car, which is the 383 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, 335 horsepower. This car did come with the heavy duty A727 TorqueFlite 3-speed automatic transmission, which is code D32. This is a JS23 code car as well, which means Dodge Challenger RT model, 2-door hardtop. We've got all this on our website, so if you want to go over it, you can go there and get all the listings here. But this car was basically restored back to original with some very tasteful upgrades. But overall, a very nice engine bay. And let me tell you, this car does run very, very nicely. But with that being said, guys, let's work our way to the interior so I can show you what that's got to offer. All right, guys, check out this beautiful black interior. As you can see, you do have the wood grain trim here. You've got a center console here with a storage compartment. You've got the upgraded AC on this car with the vents down here on the bottom of the dash. You do have the wood grain here on the dash as well. You have a tach, your speedometer, all your gauges here for your fuel and everything. And you also have a clock over here, which is really nice. You've got a nice retro style radio in here as well. The carpet is really nice. You've got upgraded speakers in here as well. You've got the bucket seats in here as well. Your door panels are in excellent condition. Your dash is in perfect condition as well. The headliner looks nice. Overall, very, very nice interior that looks really good. You do have a tilt steering wheel here, which is really nice with a 3-spoke steering wheel. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I'm missing on this car. You do have seat belts that are in really good condition as well. Overall, a very, very nice interior. But let's get to my favorite part and let's go take this one for a drive. right, guys, we're out driving in the 70 Challenger, and this thing drives like a brand new car. It's got an upgraded I Did It steering column, which I forgot to mention during the interior part. The brakes feel great. We're coming to a stop. The car is tracking straight. The suspension feels amazing on this car. With it being a rotisserie frame-off restoration, everything was replaced. All the steering components are new. All your control arms, all your steering components are brand new. And overall, the transmission feels fantastic. Another thing we just found out, this car does have cutouts. It sounds really good when you open them up. It really lets that 383 Magnum breathe. But overall, a fantastic driving car. The steering is amazing on it. It tracks straight down the road. The brakes feel good. Transmission's shifting really good. And this 383 is actually pretty strong. We just took off from the light, and I was barely giving it gas, and we're cruising at 55 miles an hour. And this thing drives like a Cadillac. Overall, a fantastic driving car. It's got plenty of pep. The AC's keeping us nice and cold in here. But man, all the gauges are working like they should. Just overall, a fantastic driving car. Another thing is this upgraded stereo. Sounds really good. Don't want to get copyrighted, so we'll turn that down, but it gets plenty loud. The sub in the back sounds really good as well with the certain type of music that has good bass. But overall, this is just an awesome car. It's getting tons of looks. This paint job definitely stands out in traffic, but overall, a really nice car. Gets down the road pretty good too when you lay that pedal to the floor. But guys, let's work our way back to the dealership so I can show you how nice the bottom side of this car is. All right, guys, we got the Challenger back here at the dealership up on the lift, and as you can see, it's very nice under here. The bottom of the car is all painted in that Plum Crazy metallic, which looks fantastic. Cross member's done in a nice black. You've got a nice thick sway bar here to keep the car planted to the ground. Got some nice ceramic coated headers. Your oil pan's nice and dry. Transmission pan is nice and dry, and this is an aftermarket transmission pan, which is really nice. All of your exhaust is ceramic coated as well. Got a nice X-pipe here. You got your cutouts here like we were messing with earlier. You've got a nice set of subframe connectors to help keep the car planted. As we work our way to the back, you got a nice aluminum drive shaft. You've got the original rear end, upgraded fuel tank. Overall, the car is very nice under here, guys. If you're interested in this car and would like to see it in more detail, you can go to our website at collectiblemotor.com. Click on inventory, scroll down until you see this beautiful Challenger. But guys, if you want to reach out to us directly and ask us any questions about shipping or financing, call us at 770-738-7111. But guys, we're going to wrap this up. We're extremely busy here at the dealership. So until the next time, we'll catch you later.